Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we discuss of the 2026 Ferrari 812X Aero Kit, a stunning evolution of Ferrari's flagship front-engine V12 supercar that takes performance and design to a whole new level with an exclusive aerodynamic package. Let's dive right in. Right from the start, the 2026 812X Aero Kit immediately commands attention. Ferrari has retained the timeless, sculpted silhouette of the 812 Superfast, but the addition of the Aero Kit gives it an even more aggressive stance. The front fascia now features enhanced air intakes and a more pronounced splitter, designed not only to boost downforce at high speeds but also to accentuate the car's muscular character. The side skirts and rear diffuser have been reworked for optimum aerodynamic efficiency, while the iconic side mirrors and signature badge remain unmistakably Ferrari. The overall effect is a blend of classic elegance with futuristic performance cues, a design that tells you this is not just any 812, it's a performance-focused special edition. Under the hood, things get really exciting. The heart of the 812X Aero Kit is the naturally aspirated V12 engine that Ferrari is famous for, but now it's been fine-tuned to work in perfect harmony with the advanced Aero Kit. The result? A power output that's expected to push the envelope even further, delivering exhilarating acceleration and razor-sharp responsiveness. Ferrari claims that this version enhances stability and cornering performance, allowing drivers to experience improved grip and precision when pushing the car to its limits on both the track and the open road. It's all about turning raw power into an unforgettable driving experience. Inside the cabin, luxury and technology are in perfect balance. Ferrari has updated the interior with premium materials, think hand-stitched leather, carbon fiber accents, and polished metal trim that create an atmosphere of bespoke opulence. The cockpit is designed to be driver-centric, with ergonomically contoured seats that offer superb support during spirited drives. A fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, while the central touchscreen infotainment system, seamlessly integrated into the minimalist dashboard, offers connectivity and navigation functions without distracting from the driving experience. Every detail, from the ambient lighting to the custom stitching, speaks to Ferrari's commitment to craftsmanship and exclusivity. When it comes to technology and driver assistance, the 812X Aero Kit is all about enhancing the pure driving pleasure. While keeping its focus on performance, the car includes adaptive suspension systems and advanced traction control that work together to make high-speed cornering both precise and stable. Plus, modern safety features like collision mitigation and lane keeping assist provide that extra layer of confidence during everyday drives without taking away from the car's raw character. Now, let's talk about the expected price. Early estimates suggest that the 2026 Ferrari 812X Aero Kit will start at around $500,000. This premium price tag reflects the incredible engineering, bespoke design, and the limited edition nature of this model, making it a true collector's piece for those who demand the very best in performance and luxury. In summary, the 2026 Ferrari 812X Aero Kit is a masterful blend of art and engineering. It delivers a bold, aggressive exterior enhanced by an advanced aerodynamic package, a naturally aspirated V12 engine that provides exhilarating performance, and an interior that exudes luxury and precision. Whether you're a longtime Ferrari enthusiast or new to the world of high-performance supercars, this special edition promises an experience that is both thrilling and exclusive. Thanks for watching this review of the 2026 Ferrari 812X Aero Kit. If you enjoyed the video and found this review insightful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth automotive content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What feature of the new 812X Aero Kit excites you the most? Until next time, drive safe and enjoy the ride.